Is your car idling rough? Stalling at stoplights? Check engine light on. These could be signs of a failing idle air control valve. In this video, we'll dive deep into the symptoms of a bad IAC and help you diagnose the problem. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial engine component, the idle air control valve, or IAC for short. This little guy plays a big role in keeping your engine running smoothly. But when it starts to malfunction, you'll definitely notice. So, let's get started. So, what exactly does the IAC do? Essentially, it controls the amount of air entering the engine when it's idling. It's basically a small valve that opens and closes to regulate airflow. When your IAC starts to act up, you'll experience 5 telltale symptoms. Let's go over the most common ones. Number 1. Rough idle. This is the most obvious sign. Your engine will idle erratically, shaking, and sometimes even stalling. It might sound like it's about to die, even when you're not touching the gas pedal. Number 2. Engine stalling. As mentioned earlier, a faulty IAC can cause your engine to stall, especially at stoplights or in low-speed traffic. This can be extremely dangerous and frustrating. Number 3. Check engine light. A malfunctioning IAC will often trigger the check engine light. This is your car's way of telling you there's a problem. Number 4. Poor fuel economy. When your engine isn't running efficiently due to an IAC issue, you'll likely notice a drop in fuel economy. This means you'll be spending more money at the pump. In some cases, a bad IAC can make it difficult to start your vehicle. It might crank for longer than usual, or even fail to start altogether. So, there you have it. Those are the most common symptoms of a bad idle air control valve. If you're experiencing any of these issues, it's best to have your IAC inspected and replaced if necessary. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe.